They say it's normal, that after 60, losing your ability to get hard is just part of being an old man, that the spark fades, the blood flow slows, and your best days in bed are behind you. But what if I told you they're wrong? What if I told you there's a natural way backed by real science? To bring back the kind of powerful, spontaneous erections you used to take for granted. Not some dangerous pill, just a single, overlooked nut that's probably sitting on a grocery store shelf near you right now. My name is Dr. Ross. For over 30 years, I've helped men rebuild their confidence, restore their health, and reclaim the parts of themselves they thought were gone for good. And I've seen firsthand how one small change, one food, has reignited the performance, energy, and pride of men well into their 60s, 70s, even 80s. So, what is this nut? How does it work? And why are researchers across the globe quietly calling it a natural solution for one of the most personal struggles men face? In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how it works, what it does inside your body, and how it could be the single most important decision you make for your manhood this year. Stick with me, because what you're about to hear may just change everything. Before we begin, if you care about your health, your vitality, and your future as a man over 60, make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon. I share science-backed solutions like this every single week, and if this message speaks to you, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. I read every single one, and it helps me serve you better. I've sat across from thousands of men in their 60s and 70s. Some came to me frustrated, others are ashamed, many of them defeated, not just because of what was happening to their bodies, but because of what it meant to them as men. They were told it was just aging, that slowing down in the bedroom was inevitable. But that's not the full story, not even close. Erections aren't driven by age or testosterone alone. They're driven by blood, rich oxygenated blood rushing into the penis, filling the chambers, and sustaining firmness. And that process depends almost entirely on your vascular system, your arteries, your blood vessels, and most critically, your body's ability to produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the master key. It signals your blood vessels to expand, to open, to allow blood to flow fully and freely. But after 60, this natural system begins to break down. Plaque starts to form, blood vessels stiffen, and nitric oxide production declines. Without it, the signal weakens, the flow slows, and your performance suffers. But here's the good news. That system isn't broken beyond repair. It's just starving for the right nutrients, the right support, and the right signal. And that's where this one powerful food enters the picture. I'll never forget the first time I read the study. It was a clinical trial out of Turkey. A group of men with moderate erectile dysfunction. No medication, no therapy, no surgery. Just one simple change. A daily serving of pistachios. After just 3 weeks, erectile strength improved, satisfaction increased, and blood flow markers rose significantly. That moment stuck with me, because it confirmed what I'd already seen in my practice. Pistachios aren't just a snack, they're a natural solution. These little green powerhouses are rich in L-arginine, an amino acid that your body converts into nitric oxide. More nitric oxide means better vessel dilation. Better dilation means stronger, longer-lasting erections, naturally. But pistachios don't stop there. They're packed with antioxidants that reduce artery-damaging inflammation. They contain plant sterols that lower bad cholesterol and help clear vascular blockages. And they deliver healthy fats that support testosterone, the very hormone that fuels male desire and drive. It's a near-perfect formula, designed by nature for the aging male body. I think of one of my patients, Jeff. age 68, skeptical, worn out, frustrated. He added 1 handful of unsalted, dry roasted pistachios to his routine. 3 weeks later, he came back smiling like a different man. "Doc," he said, "I thought I was done." I had no idea food could do this. No side effects, no dependency, just real, natural progress. And I've seen it happen again, and again, and again. But only if you do it the right way. I've always believed the body wants to heal. It's not looking for shortcuts or synthetic fixes. It's looking for support, gentle, consistent, intelligent support. And pistachios are one of those tools. When men begin adding them to their daily routine, the effects can be surprisingly far-reaching. Some wake up with morning firmness for the first time in years. Some report stronger, more reliable performance. Others simply feel better, more energized, more clear-headed, more alive. It's not magic, it's biology. Better blood flow doesn't just improve performance, it supports your heart, your brain, your muscles, even your emotional connection. I've had men tell me they feel closer to their wives, more present, more confident in their own skin. And that confidence, it's powerful. It changes the way a man moves through the world. But none of this happens if you make the common mistakes. Too many men unknowingly sabotage their results. They rely on pills like Viagra instead of addressing the root issue. And while medications have their place, they don't rebuild your vascular system. They just force temporary results, and over time, they lose effectiveness. Many men choose the wrong pistachios: salted, honey-roasted, oil-fried. Those options are filled with sugars, sodium, and bad fats that cancel out the very benefits we're after. Others eat pistachios but continue consuming a poor diet, full of processed food, sugar, alcohol, and no movement. It's like putting a clean filter into a broken machine. The system still won't run. And then there are men who expect instant results. But this isn't about quick fixes. It's about momentum. Natural healing takes time, but the results are real, lasting, and worth it. So let's talk about what's really happening inside your body when you eat pistachios the right way. Every erection is a vascular event. It starts in the brain, but it lives and dies in the blood. Pistachios increase L-arginine, which the body turns into nitric oxide, the gas that opens blood vessels and allows blood to flow freely into the penis. They reduce inflammation, clear out bad cholesterol, and support testosterone. This isn't a single benefit, it's a full system upgrade. When blood flows better, everything gets stronger: your brain, your heart, your muscles, and yes, your performance. So, how much do you need? For most men, 1 small handful a day, 1 to 2 ounces of unsalted, dry roasted, or raw pistachios. That's it. I recommend eating them in the afternoon, around 3 to 5 p.m., as a snack before dinner. Pair them with a tall glass of water, and if you can, follow it with a 10-minute walk or light stretching. The combination of clean nutrition and light movement is a powerful signal to your body. Rebuild, recover, restore. Do this consistently, every day. Give your body time. And let it do what it was built to do: heal. There's a moment I've seen again and again. A man walks into my office after a few weeks of doing this. He's not gloating, he's not showing off, he's just standing taller, looking brighter, breathing deeper, because something came back. Not just performance, not just pleasure, but identity. He feels like himself again. He feels like a man. Because this isn't just about erections, it's about self-respect. It's about reconnecting with the part of yourself that still wants to fight, still wants to love, still wants to live fully. And sometimes that change begins with something as small as a nut. So if no one's told you this yet, let me be the first. Your struggles are not your fault, and they are not final. Your body is not broken. It's waiting for the right tools to come alive again. Pistachios may be small, but their impact can be life-changing. They restore nitric oxide, they clean the blood vessels, they support testosterone, and they offer a way back to energy, back to confidence, back to pride. So start today, start small, but start, because change is still possible. And if this message helped you or someone you care about, please like, comment, and share this video. Your support helps us reach more men who need it. Every bit helps, and we're truly grateful. Thank you for watching, and remember, you're not done, you're just getting started.